Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW X3 service light. First, get into your vehicle and turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Next, locate the odometer reset button on your dashboard. Press and hold this button for about 5 seconds until a service item appears on your display. This is the gateway to managing your service indicators. Once a service item is displayed, briefly press the odometer reset button to cycle through the different service indicators like oil, brakes, or inspections. When you find the service you want to reset, press and hold the button again for a few seconds. The display will show Reset or a similar prompt. Confirm the reset by holding the button until the status changes. It's crucial to ensure your ignition is on, but the engine remains off throughout this process. If the reset doesn't work on the first try, make sure you're holding the button firmly for the recommended duration, typically around 5 seconds. Different BMW X3 models might have slight variations, so always consult your owner's manual for the most accurate instructions specific to your vehicle. After successfully resetting the desired service indicators, turn off your ignition completely. This step is vital as it saves the changes you've made to the vehicle system. Then, start your BMW X3 to confirm that all the service lights you addressed are now off. If any remain, simply repeat the process. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.